So today I'm gonna challenge myself to design a logo in 15 minutes. This website, Gold Brief, is a website where you can randomly generate design briefs so that you can practice your design skills, so that you can use that design and put it on your portfolio later, as well as you can gain experience from that. So it's a really good website for graphic designers. So I will randomly generate the brief, and the company name is Red. It's a company that makes and distributes all American finger food. Our main product is made with a secret recipe and served in 5-star restaurants across the nation. Our target audience is seniors. You know what? Seniors, you have to keep that in mind. We have to convey a sense of security while at the same time being down to earth. Seniors, it's meant for seniors and it's down to earth, so it can't be like too much of a fun logo design. So in job description, you must create a logo using the information given in this brief. They would prefer a combination mark that uses the color red. Deadline is 3 days. The deadline is 3 days, but I'm gonna do this in 15 minutes. Let's see what I've come up with. First of all, I type the red, and then I will search for some fonts that I have, and here I found the fonts Blue Spirits. Somewhat like old vintage type, so I think it matches with the design brief, but it's a bit too much. Beginners, the glyph option in Illustrator is a good one. I think you should use that. Here I couldn't use it as it is, so I'm gonna make it my own. Now we'll fast forward to the end. I don't want to elongate this video too much so that it doesn't bore you. I'll fast forward it. Now here I use the puppet tool, I push it up there, and then I will fix it later. So see you at the end. To give it somewhat of a style to it, I added some strokes inside of the type, the logo. I think it looks great. There are some good mock-up websites so that you can find something like this car, and now add the finger foods to it. That's it, yeah. I made this video 3 months ago. I procrastinated it so much, and after 3 months, now I've just posted this. I just want to tell you that in order to improve ourselves, we just have to do it. We just have to post it. I know that this video is not perfect. I know that this logo is not perfect. At the end of the day, if I don't post it, no one will see it, then I won't get any exposure from it. So the best thing you can do is just post it, even though if it's bad, if it's good. So that's what I learned from this. Even though I procrastinated for 3 months and not editing it, trying to make it perfect, trying to do the color grading and all, but at the end of the day, doing something without perfection is better than not doing anything at all. So yeah, that's the whole point of this video. I hope you enjoy it. Please like and subscribe, and do comment. Comment is what I need. Thank you.